What's the meaning of Brunei? Brunei. Brunei.
Brunei. Brunei. Brunei is a small, wealthy country located on the island of Borneo in Southeast Asia. The name Brunei is believed to have originated from the Sanskrit word Varanai, which means seafarers. The country is known for its strong economy based on the oil and gas industry, as well as its distinctive culture that reflects Malay, Chinese, and Islamic influences. Brunei is also home to beautiful rainforests and pristine beaches, making it a popular tourist destination. Despite its small size, Brunei has a rich history and an important role in the region, serving as a bridge between East and West.